Alright guys, sorry I had to take a little break. This is way too much at once. 3 stage lights. We're going to try and go faster here so that way this video isn't too long. I don't know what this is. I think it's supposed to be like turnbuckle pads, but I seriously have no idea. More legs to tables. Jeez, man. Another one of those little ramp things. That's definitely cool. I don't know what this is. I think it looks like a little torch. It rattles. There's something in there rattling. And it moves. So I have no idea what that is. Guys, if I don't know what something is and you know, can you please tell me? Like, I'd appreciate that. Oops. There was a ladder, but I broke it. This is a really cool ladder. This must be a jack's ladder. I've never seen a ladder like this before. So that's definitely super cool. But it doesn't really move out. It kind of stays where it is. So you could probably have it set against a wall or a truck or something. A very clean, like the cleaner trash can. A really small weight, I think. A clock, that's cool. Another thing that really caught my eye is the ring bell. Very excited about that. Let's just keep reaching for things, I guess. Oh, so that thing we saw earlier must go on here. Nope, come on. But another Jack's little random knick-knack. This is a turnbuckle pad for what must have been rings back in the day. I don't know. I don't really know much about the collections before my time. But this is a really old turnbuckle pad, I guess. That's very cool. That might be like a collector's item. A toolbox. It seems articulated. Yeah, look, you can open it. Toolbox. That's very, very cool. A microphone. It's like the ringside collectible ones, except it's all silver. I don't know if they sell them like that or not. 5-pound weight. Another little draft podium, but without that thing coming out of the top of it. Another ring bell, but this one moves. I don't know if it's supposed to make a noise or not. I thought they were supposed to have a hammer attached. Oh, this one moves. Maybe they all moved, and I'm just stupid. Some type of chain, like a thugonomics chain, maybe. No, never mind. It's a lock. It's a chain and a lock. Don't listen to me, guys. I'm so uneducated. A gray bell. So many bells. This is all so cool. Someone wrote this definitely is an action figure that I collect. One of the doors to the lockers. Dude, it's going to be a hassle cleaning this up, I'm realizing. I have no idea what this is. Maybe a little TV. Stage light in there. Then a little stage design. Just to start throwing stuff back there. King of the Ring podium. Oh, Brock Lesnar. So this must be the stands that used to put your guys on. Because right there it says Brock Lesnar. That's cool. Something. I don't know. It holds something. Some type of stage light, probably. I think this is supposed to be some type of weight. Guys, I don't know. I'm so tripping out. Stage light. 45 pounds. 45 pounds dumbbells. Some more dumbbells. Stage lights. Stage light. I'm struggling. Stage light. Stage light. Bro, I don't have enough stage for all these stage lights. This shopping cart's broken. That part's like non-existent. So that's unfortunate. But I already have a really good shopping cart. 35-pound. I don't think we've seen any of those yet. 10-pound. More of those the ring posts. I bet there's not a freaking ring in here. That'd be pretty cool. Some Stone Cold big set design thing. I have no idea what this is. Oh my god, it's got DVDs in it. Oh, CD. Okay. CDs. That's really cool. Sorry if I hit the mic. That's really cool. System required. This thing is cool. I don't know what this is. Yeah, it's just WWE CD. That's very, very cool. I'll have to look into that later. So I'm going to put this one to the side. Some type of satellite dish. Don't know what this is. Maybe it goes to the satellite dish. No idea. A black... Oh, it's a TV monitor. Wonder if there's an output table in here. Like I said, guys, I ordered this, but I don't know exactly what all is in here. So this is some type of something. Probably something for toys back in the day. Back before I was alive. So there's handles to that weight thing that we saw earlier. That's cool. Microphone. There's so many little pieces. Another one of those little metal things. I don't know what all these cards are. Maybe I'll ask my parents. Maybe they played with these kind of things as kids. I don't know. Big guardrail. Some sewage crates. Another sewage crate. Everything's falling out of the ring now. Spotlight. Another thing to hold things. Oh, Mike fell. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please don't be mad at me. Ladder. This one actually folds out, I guess. That's cool. It looks broken though, but it's all good. The back of a suitcase. So there must be a suitcase in here that opens up. But look at the detail. That's why Jax always did it better than Mattel. Nice newspaper. Dude, I have some really cool stuff I can do sets with from this stuff. The foot to the or the wheel to the cart. So it must have broke in here. That's unfortunate for me. No idea what that thing is. Probably isn't WWE. Another ladder, same as that black one, just different color. In here, what is this? This is some type of banner, guys. Raw is War, War Zone. So these must be like flags, and there must be a flag post somewhere. And these are like flags you just let wave in the wind. Very interesting indeed. Another one of these things. Don't know what these are at all. Garage door. It's way smaller than the freaking the big door. Like a military style barricade where it's like the wooden beams and the barbed wire. WWF little logo that you can like pin into things. So much cool stuff. My arms are getting tired. What's this? This is almost like the top of it's like a helicopter blade. Coffin. Top of coffin. I haven't seen the bottom of a coffin. Nope, there's the bottom of 2A chair. I don't think that chair was missing one though. Spotlight. Something for something. A soda bottle that actually says SmackDown Soda. That's super cool. The part that holds up a ring. Oh, nice, the ring bell. The hammer for the ring bell. What the frig is this? Oh, it goes on a wheelchair. It's the button that like makes the wheelchair go. Broken table leg. Back of a chair. Oops, just lost that. Don't know what this is. It's something that I lost it, guys, but that sledgehammer was something cool. It had like a it's right here. It has like a curve on it, so it's almost like an axe handle. So it's like a. You really could have some force behind it. Cool little briefcase. Does it open up? It does. It does have hinges. Let's open it up. Ow. Well, there's plastic missing on the top. Like it looks like there was a handle, but it got broken off. So this guy definitely played with this stuff, which is nice to see. Because how couldn't you? But this is really cool on the inside. It has papers, files, a phone, paper. Very cool. Wish that had a handle. Oh, a cooler. These things are cool. Similar to the toolbox. It's just kind of, it's kind of a cool thing just to have in the background. Like, it's something that you wouldn't ever think of, but if you saw it in the background, you'd say to yourself, that sets it apart. Freaking gun. What the frick? That thing's cool. Some type of more stage design. Speaking of stage, look at this thing. The only thing this would be good for is like Brock Lesnar curling it backstage before his match. Well, TNA baking sheet. Very cool. It actually has an imprint of dude's face on it. Very cool. Oh my god, it's blood on the back. I hope that's wrestler blood, not like dude's freaking blood. That's gross, HIV and stuff. Pop can. Like steel cage kind of backing thing. Some type of another one of those things that we don't know what they are. Bench. Ooh, this goes together, I guess. So it's like, I guess it's a black wooden bench that goes all the way across. The dude gets thrown through. So one of those things, I don't know what they are. Literally going to be the legs for that. Some orange thing, no idea. Chair legs, or table legs, sorry. Spotlight. What is this? Is this a marble? I don't think that has anything to do with figures, so I got a marble out of this. Don't know what this is. Another one of those things I don't know what they are. 35 pound. It's a bigger dump. It's a bigger weight. 25 pound. Another door to the lockers. Another like bed sheet. This one does have a dent, but not as much of a face as before. Come on, guys. There's more in here. I don't want to forget anything. Don't know what this is. Some type of thing. Another WWE pop can. Looks like it goes into a ladder, like a paint stand for a ladder. Another one of these little things. I don't know, the oven door, dishwasher door, something. And then the bottom half of that suitcase we saw earlier. So yeah, guys, there is stuff absolutely everywhere. My ring is full of random accessories out of this lot. Hopefully you all did enjoy it. I do thank you all so very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.